Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the tub ring straps on this Fisher Paykel washer. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. When the tub ring strap breaks, the tub may not center properly, or the tub may vibrate or get out of balance when in use. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the washer. First, remove the lid by opening it, grasping on both sides, and pulling in an upward motion. Next, pop out these two plastic covers with a flat blade screwdriver. Then, remove the two Phillips screws. Now, grab the front of the top panel, lift up, and tilt back. You may need to secure the panel to ensure that it doesn't fall backwards. Then, remove the strap off of the suspension rod by grabbing it and lifting up. Next, remove the strap from the retainer on the tub by pushing down on the strap. If you have a bad tub ring strap and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. These are sold as a set of 4, so you want to make sure that you replace all 4 of them at the same time. To install the washer strap, start by inserting the strap into the hole behind the hole. Then pull the strap until it snaps into place. Repeat on the other side. Now, reinstall the washer strap by aligning the holes and pressing in place. Next, remove your method of securing the top and tilt the top panel back down. Now, reinstall the Phillips screws. Then, reinstall the plastic covers. To install the lid, align the lid with the hinges and firmly press down until it snaps in place. Now with everything reconnected, plug the washer back in and test it out to make sure that everything's functioning properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.